guys, welcome to another episode on MSK Coding. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this program I made and this little trifold thing that I made in first grade. I personally like it, and it's about the Fibonacci sequence. What is the Fibonacci sequence? Well, the Fibonacci numbers are a special set of numbers where each number is the sum of the two numbers before it. That might sound a little complicated, but let's see. It starts with 1, 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Next number is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3, so the next number is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5, so the next number is 5. And 3 plus 5 is 8, so the next number is 8. And it goes like that all the way up to infinity. Some facts about the Fibonacci sequence is that the first Fibonacci numbers were first written about by Indian scholars and by Fibonacci. These numbers show up very commonly in nature. If you see, there are some flowers and some vegetables and an apple that have a Fibonacci amount of petals or seeds or anything else, really. So let's get into the code. So we first import math. We're not actually using it, but I added it as a fun way to show you something about this program. So I define fib to be fib, and the argument will be t. And if t is 0, you print basically nothing. If it is 1, then you just print 1. And if it's anything else, you do this big string of code. What is it though? Well, we first set L for list to be 1, 1 in a list. J will be 1, that is our incrementer here. And that's why most people use I, like I equals 1. I plus plus in JavaScript, I think, is what you can use. But I stands for incrementer. While J is less than equal to T minus 2, because there are two starting things in the list, I equals L of J plus L of J minus 1. That is, each term is the sum of the two numbers before it. So so 2 is 1 plus 1. So if I sum number here, and it is J, L of J plus L of J minus 1. And we append I to the list L. We increment J, and then we print out L without any commas or brackets. That's what the asterisk L is for. I def stairs of T to basically be the exact same thing, but instead of only printing the last step of the whole stairs, it prints every single step. I'll show you exactly what I mean. And do, I think you already know what do does, because all my other programs, it just resets everything basically and then does it with some possible arguments. And all of this I will show later. Whoa. And now we are in the program shell. So in the shell, we have the do function. And so we do the do, and number of terms, let's do 20, and I'll put 0. So then it shows the normal fib. 1, see, that's what I was saying about stairs. You only see the last step of the stairs when you do 20, 0, or anything, comma 0. But you can see the whole step structure right here. And if you did 22, 2 is not a proper argument. 20 just says how many terms it goes for. And that's all really for the program. And I will be showing some more of the trifold thing, for showing how it appears in nature. And I made a sort of table for showing. So up on the screen right now, you will see the pictures. And once they're done, I'm going to say goodbye. Bye. I hope you had a great time. Hope to see you later. And my sub goal is 100 subscribers. Bye!